Living in a Jamaica, dog, that one the real interesting. Cause living in a Jamaica, dog, can be real fun and it can be traumatizing as well too. You see me? Uh, Especially a forward from a garrison, dog. But most sides still we talk about the fun part. Cause if you ask me, I'm more fun than drama. You see me? Yeah, a real talk, man. I be a fun. And we have a thing called Beach Sunday. See me, so every Sunday, a beach setting. So Sunday never pass, I wanna go beach. You understand? It's like, say, boy, for instance, you know, say, our weather in Jamaica is like a summer right through the year. So it's like, say, boy, you know, see you forward from school, ball ground settings. You see me? Man, go and kick some soccer right there, so football settings. So you wanna see either with up on the road or play scrimmage, go and play some cricket, something I go and do, but we stay active. You see me? Or you find a river settings, we gonna shoot some bird, but we stay active. As a youth, we a play gig, elastic rubber band, marble, and the list goes on. You see me? We make board truck. You see me? Them thing the brother. So box drinks truck and them thing there. So living in a Jamaica, bro, nice. And can't forget about the food. It make us survive. So brother, yeah man, the thing man, the place to be. I eat me and tell a man I hate. One of my favorite thing about Jamaica still is the cook out the door. Virgin, me love the whole situation about cooking outside and the smoke just a go up in the air, and yeah, especially the river settings, you know. It's a tropical vibe. You're just outside and you can all take off your shoes and just walk around barefoot and just be at one with nature. Yeah. And it's a lot of people who really know a lot about nature in Jamaica, where them can tell you about all of the herbal stuff them and all of the things them where you keep up on a natural part, you know. So when it comes to living in Jamaica, it have its benefits where you have a mineral place at St. Thomas where you can go get your bath and enough things, bridging there were beneficial. While you're living there, you can really enhance yourself naturally without even having to step in front of a doctor. If you meet the right people who educated the right way about these things, yeah man, you can get help naturally healing. So living in a Jamaica, virgin, is a precious thing. Yeah, because we not dwell upon the negative, and negative they everywhere. So you have to balance it out. Yeah man. So growing up, you know, and have my brethren them, the greatest thing growing up, bro, is have some real good brethren. That make it even more better when you have some real brethren. And when you know say when you the road in the right way, bro, have fun. Ask anybody. Cause you alone not gonna do it. When you have your real brethren them, your real charge to them. Yeah man, the thing on man, and road I do. Especially growing up together, I got school together and thing, and you know? Yeah. Oh, and next thing with the drama thing about Jamaica, and like, you see if them a give you a name, a nickname, you better just laugh with it, cause you see the minute you act like say boy, that's your name, you know. And brother, nowhere else in the world you quicker forget a name. Especially a funny name where either gonna just be like hilarious about it, like Jamaican real creative and crafty when it comes to them thing there. You see me? Like you need a real Jamaican brethren when you want some real joke. And that's what me I talk about, man. So no matter what you want hear people. You see me? I pay fun we are deal with over here, so we are talk about the best side. We not put out no negative on that thing right now. We are talk about the greatest part of while we at Jamaica. How could we even talk about Jamaica without talk about roast breadfruit and we ackee and saltfish and all of the great food that we have in Jamaica? Don't forget the curry goat and the oxtail and all of the steamed fish and everything wanna go crazy for Jamaica. In a place called Jamaica where you can walk 4 foot without smell a jerk chicken stand. It is amazing. You can buy boiled crab, you can boiled corn, you can get lobster, name it, it's there. Fruits, don't even start with the longy mango them and the blacky mango. Don't even talk about it. The pineapple them too sweet, you're gonna need water. Jamaica are the best place. Don't even talk about with jelly water. Papaya, no sir. And we have the best apple worldwide. Don't even speak about mangoes. Cause, let me tell you something. And Jamaica have the sweetest guinea, hands down. Best sugar cane. Now, you have to ask yourself, as a small little island like where we come from now, right? We have all of this niceness here. We have to appreciate it, you understand? And cherish what we have, cause you want to realize what you have, just look. Take up your device and Google some place and look. And you will realize what we have, the whole world want. Why you think investors, every chance them get, a Jamaica them there, a buyout place, and a turn in a resort. So know your value. And living in a Jamaica is pretty common for you either athlete, play some soccer, you can run, or you is an artist. It's pretty common. Cause me I tell you say Jamaica full of talent. It's nowhere else in the world. While living in Jamaica, you can always find a new talent. Everywhere you look is a new talent. And they all talented for real. Not just telling you about something, me I talk about these people perform and stay true, and this just set Jamaica different from a lot of places. In Jamaica, you have to perform for the crowd. And also, we couldn't finish the program without big up the schools in Jamaica. We have some of the best schools, so big up the schooling system, big up all of the teachers, principals, and the students, them we are do well. Big on up and the one them we not do well. Get to the work, keep on head to the books. That's what we are talking about. Living in Jamaica, it's very wonderful. And when you're ambitious, it's even more better for you. Because now you can help yourself and help out a situation around you and take yourself out of poverty. And that's what the island need, the upliftment. So living in Jamaica is a wonderful feeling. It's a thrill. It's an experience in life that everyone should even have a vacation and experience. A time in life, a place in time in Jamaica is no other place like Jamaica, birthplace of the one and only Bob Marley. Don't you forget it. Subscribe, join the membership. Yeah.